Are you looking to retire comfortably? Do you think it's possible right now to retire comfortably? I don't mean with luxury. I just need comfortably with financial freedom, debt free, and all that. The cost living is going higher and higher. But yes, it's a possibility. I have something to suggest to you. I'm Elaine. I'm a grandmother, veteran spouse, in my 60s, still working full time, and I live in Ontario, Canada. Why do I still working full time? Well, let me tell you that time flies, and between my 40 and 60s, it seems like it's 5 years. I didn't put money aside, not enough. And then there's life that happens, like helping a family member. We have a house that is kind of a money pit and needed some renovations, not cosmetic, but renovation that needed to be done. So the line of credit is full. And to retire, I want to be debt free because you never know what tomorrow brings. And I don't want to bring a legacy of debt to my children. On that, do you want to know what I found to be comfortable, to plan your retirement, or if you're already retired? Doesn't make never too late. It's an online business. Don't go find a second income working for somebody else. Work for yourself. A lot of work? No, no. It's digital marketing. You don't need to be tech savvy. You don't need to be tech savvy. 2 hours, not three, 2 hours of work a day. What do you think? Do you think you can add that in your schedule? It doesn't need to be 2 hours all at once. You can do some in the morning, some at lunch, some in the evening, something to fit your schedule. Yes, that's what I do. Do a bit in the morning, at lunchtime, and right now it's the evening for me. So in the evening. So there it is. You don't need to be tech savvy. Why? Because the program is already pre-built for you. You just have to add your personal information in there and you get instructions step by step how to do it. And if you're not sure, there's help. Also, it's a 24-hour 7 freedom machine, meaning it's an automated system that even when you're sleeping or you're doing your grocery because you're going to be able to afford a grocery or on the beach, your system still work for you and then you can get passive income. What do you think about that? Passive income. So I talked to you about the 2 hours automated system. It's a proven blueprint. There's already people in this community, which is the digital growth community, that are millionaires. Many are doing six figures income and not in many months either. Like less than a year, they're doing six-figure incomes. Can you do that in your work? Do you think you can find a second job that will do that in 2 hours a day? No. You have webinar, ongoing learning. It's like going to college. It's a living, breathing course. It's changed as things change. You have webinars, how to set up, how to find your perfect customer, how to work on the different social platform. Mindset, also webinars on mindset. Where do you get that? If you think about it, if you have a question, they probably have a webinar on it. And if they don't, you ask and somebody will help you with that. Because who are doing the webinar? Many are Michelle, the founder of this community, but also many of the six-figure earner are explaining how they did theirs. So 2 hours, automated system, proven blueprint, learning. But what are you doing exactly? What we're doing, we're selling hope, we're selling prosperity. And that's a lot of word. Yeah, yeah. Okay, okay, okay. Okay. What it is exactly, it's a program. Well, the one I have is the Legacy Builders, which has four stream of incomes, which is mine is $900. Where do you get a program where you learn and you can earn at the same time for $900? No. You get a $600, $300, and $100 are out there. Who buy those? It could be number one, people already in the business already have a business, but they want to start marketing online, and so they can learn how to do it online and how to find a perfect customer. The second one is somebody without a business but would like to start doing e-learning online. There's ideas how to, if they're not sure exactly, there's idea of businesses and how to set up their program. And again, they're perfect customer now that. And the third one is people like me who doesn't have a business. And at this time, I'm not interested in having one. So my business is to sell programs to others and resell. But, huh, it's you get master resell rights. What does that mean? Is you buy the program once, and then you have all the resell rights, and you get 100% profit. Yeah, 100% profit. If you done MLM before, like I did, you don't get that. You get between 25 and 50%, and then you might have monthly quota, might have monthly fees. You can be derank if you don't get such amount of sale. And if you're like me, you buy more than you sell. So you don't make any money, you lose some. Even if I love the product, I was silly. So it's 100% profit. You sell one program, let's say you buy the Legacy Builders at 900. I'm talking US money because you pay in US, but you get the money back in US too. So you buy one program at $900, you sell one at $900. Investment is covered. Your investment is covered. One-time investment, and then it's in your pocket. And if you get the Legacy Builders, well, you can, in a day, you can sell a 900, a 600 to 900. Who knows? Who knows? There's no limit at what you can sell. And because it's digital, it doesn't take space in your house. So, well, $900 expensive. We have payment plans also. There's payment plans there. Let me check if I'm forgetting anything. Digital marketing. You think it's saturated right now? No, it's not. By Forbes, when you read that Forbes magazine, the most richest people and all that, they do all those studies. A market to be saturated has to be at 75%. Digital marketing is at less than 5%. In 2023, it was selling for 1 billion. They expect that by 2027, it will be 3 billions. So it's time to get on that. Is it difficult? No, because you get step-by-step instruction to set up your software. It's beginner friendly. And then, even if you get something, a problem, there's someone to ask. I'll be there to answer question, but if I don't know, there's people in that community that will help you. Every week, there's a webinar on technical issue. It could be anything. It could be anything. So what do you think about it? What do you think that can do for your lifestyle? Oh, imagine being debt-free, financial freedom. It's not just the money. is the stress that disappears, that financial stress that disappears, which help your health. Your blood pressure will go down. You're gonna sleep better. You'll be happier. If you're happier, people around you are happier. Man or woman, doesn't have to be the mom. Everybody's happier. And it's a way to help your family. When you're debt free, and then after that, what can you do with the money? You can go on trip. Everybody has different dreams. Right now, my dreams is just to be debt free, quitting my 9 to 5 job, and just enjoy weekday morning to have my latte on my patio. That's all. That's what I want for now. Yes. So, what do you think about that? If you need more information, just write down. If you have any question, write down your question. I'll be more than happy to answer you. I want you to get your financial freedom. I want you to have the retirement of your dream. It's possible. So, on that, just write in the comments. Don't be shy, okay? Bye.